Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will see how to calculate cubes of a number. Type 1 when number starts with 1. For example 11 cube. How to calculate 11 cube? See first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 as it is. Next 1 square. Next 1 cube. Next first last bit 122. Now add 1331. 1331 is the answer of 11 cube. Next 12 cube. How to calculate 12 cube? First 1 2 as it is, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. Again first last bit 488 244. 1728. 1728 is the answer of 12 cube. Next one 13 cube. ಇವಾಗ 13 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 3 as it is. Next 3 square 9, 3 cube 27. Again same 9 double 18, 3 double 6, 2197. 2197 is the answer of 13 cube. Next one 14 cube. How to calculate 14 cube? 1 4 as it is, 4 square 16, 4 cube 64. Next is first 2 ಮತ್ತು last bit 16 double 32, 4 double 8. Answer is 2744. 2744 is the answer of 14 cube. Next one 15 cube. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 5 5 square, next 25, 5 cube 125. Next same 25 double 50, 5 double 10. If you add 3375. 3375 is the answer of 15 cube. Next type number ends with 1. For example 21 cube. How to calculate 21 cube? Now 1 2 from right side ಇಂದ ಬರಬೇಕು. 1 2. Now 2 square 4, 2 cube, this is 2 square, next 2 cube 8. Again same 2 double 4, 4 double 8. It will become 9261. 9261 is the answer of 21 cube. Next 31 cube. How to calculate 31 cube? Same 1 3 as it is, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27. Again same 3 double 6, 9 double 18. If we add it will become 29791. Answer of 31 cube. This is the second type when number ends with 1. Now important one is ಇವಾಗ how to calculate 1331 is equals to question mark. ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದು? See last is 1. If you do 1 cube it will become 1, means last number is 1. 3 number cancel, first second third. If you cancel 3 number it will become 1. Okay, nearest cube to 1, that is 1, means 11 cube. 1331 is the 11 cube. Next see next one similarly 1728. 1728 cube. Okay, question mark. Which number cube? How to calculate? See, 28, 37. These two interchange. Means last 8 ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಇದ್ರೆ 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 8, 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 27, 27 means last digit is 7, 2 cube means 8, remaining 5 square 25, 6 square 36 same, but last digit if 2 it will becomes 8 or 8 becomes 2, 3 becomes 7 or 7 becomes 3, here 8 means your last digit must be 2. Next 1 2 3, 3 cancel, nearest cube to 1, that is 1 cube means 12. 12 is the answer of 1728. Next one 3375, 3375, this is question mark. Okay, question mark. Here 5 cube, if you do 5 cube it will become 125 means last unit digit is 5. Now cancel 3 number because we are doing cube. Next nearest cube to 3, if we do 2 cube it will become 8, it will do 1 cube it will become 1, which is nearest 8 or 1, 1 is nearest means 15 cube, 15 cube is equals to 3375. See next one 6859 cube, which number cube? How to calculate? See, it is a cube, if we do 3 square it will be 3 cube. See here important one, if last digit is 2 it will become 8, 3 it will become 7, remaining as it is. If 9 means last digit is 9, cancel 3. Now next is 6, nearest to which cube? 1 cube 1, 2 cube it is 8, which is nearest 1 means it is 19 cube, 19 cube is equals to 6859. ಇದು ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. 6859 is equals to 19 cube. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲು 5832, ಇವಾಗೇನು 2 ಇದ್ದರೆ 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಇದ್ದರೆ 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 2 ಆಯಿತು, 2 ಇದ್ದರೆ 8, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ 3. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 cube is equals to 1, 2 cube is equals to 8, which is near 1 cube means it is 1 means 1 8, 18 cube is equals to 5832. Next is 9261 is equals to which number cube? How to calculate? 1 means last number is 1, 1 2 3, if you calculate 3, see 1 cube is equals to 1, ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 9 ನೋಡಿ, 1 cube is equals to 1, 2 cube is equals to 8, which one is near, 1 or 8? 8 is near means it is 21 cube, 21 cube is equals to 9261. See next cube 29791 is equals to which number cube? How to calculate? If it is 1 means last number 1. Now cancel 3 number. Okay, this 29, 3 cube means 27, 4 cube, 4 cube means 64, which cube is near, 3 cube or 4 cube? 3 cube means it is 31 cube, 31 cube is equals to 29791. This is the answer of 31 cube. ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ 1 ಟೈಪ್ 2 ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 1, ವೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 1. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮು, ವೆನ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 22, ವೆನ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2, 3. ಇದಿದ್ದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.